Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily backup your computer data on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just search for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Then from here, just go to update and security. Then from the left pane, make sure file backup is selected. And for this, you'll need an external hard disk, SSD, or just a flash drive. So from here, under backup using file history, click on add a drive. From here, select your external drive. And then just wait. You'll find automatically backup files slider here. Just make sure you keep it on. And if you click on more options, you'll get more options to toggle with. So just click on it and wait. And as you can see, you have a backup now option. You have backup my files every hour, every 30 minutes, whenever you want. And you can also select how much backup and when to keep them for. You can keep it for 2 years, 1 month, whatever you like. And you can also add all the folders you want to be backed up, and you can also exclude the folder from using here. And you can also stop using this drive. And that's basically it. And basically that is how to back up your computer data on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.